used also by the Rhinohorn, as I remember. And then we have your Sphinx Cowl, which your Sphinx Cowl is still a right spinning Beyblade, and its ratchet is 180. Ooh, high. So it's like because it's using the 180, it is very aggressive on the stadium because it will have an imbalance of its movement, and its bit is GF, or the gear flat, and yeah, that will be very aggressive because it's a gear flat. And yeah, you can mix and match those. Yeah, that's the very good thing on our Beyblade X, because you can mix and match the parts. You can experiment which part is much better on that blade. You can even make some of the defense blade to become a aggressive Beyblade, which it can more on offense than in defense, and you can even make some offense kind of blades into defense, stamina, and whatever you like, you can do it on Beyblade X, because you can really mix and match the different parts of this one. So yeah, so much for that. The Beyblade Ruder, the Phoenix Ruder, is on the UX, and as I know, the Wyvern and your Sphinx Cowl is, or the Wyvern Gale, a last one word, the Wyvern Gale and the Sphinx Cowl is still part of the BX. Yeah, as I remember, it's still part of the BX, which still have those metal on the like the bit piece of the Beyblade right here. Okay, yeah, so much for that. That's our set, the UX07 Phoenix Ruders deck set. So yeah, you'll have the Phoenix Ruder, the Wyvern Gale, and also the Sphinx Cowl. So yeah, there's so many kinds of things that you can do. So if you really have so many babies right now, you can really mix and match, and that's what they do on the tournaments. And yeah, I can use this because I have a Banky sticker, because I bought this on mall on SM Iloilo. So yeah, so much for that. That's it. That's our Phoenix Ruder deck set. I hope you get some information about this, and you can use it on more of your battles on Beyblade X. Okay, so it's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to inform for next videos. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay Telapa signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. More Beyblade and Gunpla content next time. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. Woohoo.